Here's how to change your Instagram password in under 2 minutes. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the hamburger menu icon in the top right corner. Select Account Center from the Settings menu. Now, tap on Password and Security. Here, select Change Password. Choose your Instagram account. Now, you have to enter your current Instagram password. For this, we can make use of the Passwords app on your iPhone. Browse through the accounts and open your Instagram account. If you tap on the Password section, it will reveal the password. Now copy the password from here. Return to Instagram and use it under the current password field. Next, type your new password in the New Password field. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. Choose whether to stay logged in or log out of other devices. Tap Change Password to save the changes. You'll get a confirmation from Instagram saying that your password has now been successfully updated. And that's it.